Losing weight can be a challenge, but one enjoyable and effective way to achieve your goals is by incorporating weight loss smoothies into your diet. These smoothies are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support your body's fat-burning processes. From boosting metabolism to reducing cravings, weight loss smoothies are a versatile tool in the journey toward a healthier you. In this guide, we'll explore the best smoothie recipes, ingredients, and tips to help you achieve your weight loss goals naturally. Smoothies are a fantastic way to lose weight because they allow you to pack a variety of healthy ingredients into one convenient drink. The key to their effectiveness lies in their ability to create a calorie deficit while still providing essential nutrients. Smoothies help in controlling portion sizes. Unlike heavy meals, smoothies can be easily measured to ensure you are consuming the right number of calories. Boosting metabolism. Many smoothie ingredients, such as spinach, kale, and chia seeds, are known to boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Reducing cravings. Smoothies made with high-protein and fiber-rich ingredients keep you full longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Here are some delicious smoothie recipes that are specifically designed to burn fat and promote weight loss. Green Protein Power Smoothie. This smoothie combines leafy greens with protein-rich ingredients, making it perfect for weight loss. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, ice. Benefits: spinach helps detoxify the body, while the protein powder and peanut butter keep you full and satisfied. Tropical Fat-Burning Smoothie. Packed with metabolism-boosting fruits, this tropical smoothie is perfect for kickstarting your weight loss. Ingredients: ½ cup pineapple, ½ cup mango, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup coconut water ice. Benefits: pineapple and mango provide antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and promote fat burning. Keto Avocado Smoothie. A low-carb, keto-friendly option that's high in healthy fats to keep you full for longer. Ingredients: half avocado, 1 tablespoon MCT oil, 1 scoop collagen protein, 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk, ice. Benefits: avocado and MCT oil provide energy without spiking blood sugar, making this a great option for sustained energy and fat loss. To create the best weight loss smoothies, it's important to choose the right ingredients. Here's what you should include. High-protein ingredients. Protein smoothies for weight loss help you stay full longer and prevent muscle loss. Try adding protein powder, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals, making them ideal for weight loss smoothies. Healthy fats. Incorporating fats like avocado, chia seeds, or flax seeds ensures you get long-lasting energy without overeating. Low sugar fruits. Opt for berries, which are high in fiber and low in sugar, helping you manage your blood sugar levels. Superfoods. Ingredients like chia seeds, flax seeds, and turmeric add a powerful nutritional punch to your smoothies. Ingredient combinations to promote weight loss. Certain ingredient combinations are particularly effective in promoting weight loss. Here are some to try. Protein and fiber protein smoothies for weight loss work best when combined with fiber-rich ingredients like flax seeds or oats. This combination helps curb hunger and maintain energy levels. Greens and berries. Leafy greens like spinach or kale blended with berries provide a low-calorie, antioxidant-rich option for burning fat. Coconut milk and chia seeds. The healthy fats in coconut milk, combined with the fiber in chia seeds, help keep cravings at bay while promoting weight loss. Avocado and protein powder. This keto-friendly combination ensures you stay full longer, helping you avoid snacking and excess calorie intake. Why are smoothies a great addition to weight loss-friendly diets? Smoothies are a perfect addition to any weight loss-friendly diet for several reasons. Convenient smoothies are quick and easy to make, which makes them an ideal choice for people with busy schedules. Customizability. You can tailor smoothies to fit any dietary needs, whether you're following a high-protein, low-carb, or plant-based diet. Nutrient density. Weight loss smoothies are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and help reduce inflammation. Calorie control. It's easier to control your calorie intake with smoothies since you can carefully measure and blend your ingredients. Tips for making weight loss-friendly smoothies. To get the most out of your weight loss smoothies, follow these tips. Use a high-quality blender. Investing in the best blender for smoothies ensures a smooth texture and even distribution of nutrients. Limit sweeteners. Avoid adding sugar or high-calorie sweeteners. Instead, use naturally sweet fruits like berries or a small amount of stevia. Keep it balanced. Aim to include protein, healthy fats, fiber and low-sugar fruits in your smoothies to keep your energy levels stable and promote weight loss. Watch portion sizes. It's easy to go overboard with smoothie ingredients. Stick to the recommended serving sizes to avoid excess calorie intake. Conclusion: enjoy delicious weight loss smoothies. Incorporating smoothies into your weight loss plan is a fun and effective way to achieve your goals. With the right ingredients and recipes, you can enjoy a variety of delicious weight loss smoothies that not only help you shed pounds, but also enhance your overall health. Whether you're looking for protein-packed smoothies, keto options, or tropical flavors, there's a smoothie recipe out there to suit your taste and weight loss needs. Start blending your way to a healthier, slimmer you today.